Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the workout list on this watch. First we need to open the workout or activity menu on our watch. To do it, press the upper button. And here we have it. Now if you want to see the list of workouts, you need to tap on this icon right here at the bottom of the screen. Oh, my bad. Let's go back and tap on the icon. And we'll open the list of workouts. As you can see, we have a couple on the list. If you want to add more, tap on the edit option. Scroll through the list, look for the add option. And as you can see here, we have the list of workouts we can add. Find the one you like. And once you find it, let's say maybe archery. Tap on the plus button next to it. It will be added to the list. Maybe baseball as well. And once you're done, press the back button. And as you can see, they were added to the list. You can also tap on the workout now because we're in the edit menu, I believe. Yeah, edit activities. So in the edit menu, you can also tap on the activity. You can move it up and down on the list. And you can also tap on it and tap on the bin icon to remove it if you don't want to use it anymore. And once you're done, to exit the edit menu, press the back button again. And here we have it. Here we have our activity menu. And on it we have our baseball and our archery. And that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.